Hello friends, hope you all are good. Today I am here with new and interesting story. Once a farmer was very upset because sometimes storm, hailstone, hot sun damages crops. That's why he got upset and started complaining to God. The farmer said, "You are God, but you don't know when the crop needs it. You give what is not even needed. So I request you to give me one chance. Keep the weather according to me, then we all farmers will fill the grain stores." God smiled and said, "Okay, from today I will keep the weather as you say." The farmer became happy. The farmer sowed wheat in the next crop. He got sunshine whenever he wanted. He got water whenever he wanted. He did not allow any shortage of water. He did not allow storms, floods, and strong sunlight to come. With the passage of time, the crop increased. The farmer was also very happy that this time a wonderful crop is visible. The farmer thought in his heart that God would now know what is necessary for a good crop. They keep troubling the farmers for no reason. The farmer reached the field to harvest the crop of wheat. When he touched the crops, the ground shifted from under his feet. He saw that there was not a single grain in the plant. The farmer became sad and said, "Oh God, why did this happen? Because I did everything right and at the right time." On this, God said, "Oh dear farmer, this was bound to happen because you did not allow these plants to struggle at all. They were not allowed to face challenges. That's why they may look good from outside, but they are completely hollow from the inside. There are no grains inside them. When plants face various challenges, energy is generated in them. Energy creates the right potential in those it is meant for." So, friends, just like that, unless a person goes through struggle, that person remains hollow. The challenges of life only open new avenues of progress for him and make a person strong and talented. That's why we should not panic if troubles or challenges come in our life. It has not come to scatter us but to refine us. I hope you like this story. What is your opinion on this story? Do tell us by commenting. If you like the story, do not forget to like and share it. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for listening.